Now today we are going to see practical number 7 of Python programming. The title of this practical, that is write a Python program to perform following operation on list. That is operation on list, that is create list, access list, update list. Update in updating list we can see two subpoint, that is add item, remove item, and last is delete a list. So first of all we know to what is list. In Python, a list is a type of data structure that holds an order collection of items, which means you can store anything from integer to strings to other list and so on. Then second point related to list, that is list are mutable. What is mean by that? That is the meaning of mutable means allowing you to change their content without changing their identity. So first point related to list, a list is a collection of different kinds of values or items. Second, Python lists are mutable, we can change their elements after forming. The comma and the square brackets serve as a separator, and the index of list always start with 0 and end with n minus 1 if the list contain n elements. So let's uh, perform a operation on list. So first operation on list, that is create a list. So creating a list is as simple as putting different comma separated values between square bracket. Second operation, that is accessing list. To access values in list, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain value available at that index. Third operation, that is updating list. You can update single or multiple elements of list by giving the slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator, and you can add two elements in a list with the append method. After that, the last operation, that is deleting a list. To remove a list element, you can use either the delete statement if you know exactly which elements you are deleting, or the remove method if you do not know. So let's create first a list and perform all the operation on that list. So for performing this practical, I will use, or I will perform this practical on IDLE software. So just open it. Here you can see my IDLE shell will be open. So create a new file. Here new file will be open. Then let's perform a practical related to list and different operation on list. So first give a line, that is comment, that is create a list. Create a list. Okay, for creating a list, just simple syntax for creating a list, that is give first name of the list. So my list name, that is my underscore list. My list name is my list. Here after that you just need to put assignment operator and square bracket to insert the element on list. So I can enter the element on the list. First is 10. For separate the element you can use comma 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. There will be 5 element in my list. This is my list. So just give a message print original list. Okay, print original list. Okay, print original list. Okay, and this list will be in the my list variable. Okay, my list. Okay, rounded bracket complete. This is simple message to print original list. After that, here first operation on list, that is access the element from the list. So just give a command, access the elements, access the elements. Okay, just for accessing the element, simply give a message, print first element. The access the element by using the indices or index of the value. So first element colon double inverted comma. Here remember one thing, always first element of the list have index 0th position. First element of list will be have 0th position. So my list, we can access first element as well as second element. So first element access, then another one element access, that is print. We can access another one element, that is third element. Okay, third element colon double inverted comma complete comma. Okay, my list, and which element we are access, third element. So the index for this third element, it will be 0 1 2. So put 2. Okay, this is related to access the element. Now third operation on this list, that is update a list. Update a list. In this we can see how to add an item or how to remove an item. So update list, first operation, that is add item. So for add the item in Python programming, for list, the append method will be used for adding an item. So my list dot append. Okay, append the element will be added, that is 16. And this element will be added at the end of list. So after that, just print a message after adding item, my list. To check the item will be add or not, we need to again give a message, print after adding my list. Okay, then second, this is for adding the item at end. Just to give a command, append method will be add item at end. So if you want to add a item on any specific position, for this we need to use insert method. So we can also add a element at specific location by using insert. So my list dot insert at second position, the value will be 25. Okay, this is this sentence or this insert method will be add item at second position. So just give a command, insert method will be add item at item at specific position. Okay, after that just put a simple message to print a list. So print after inserting item my list. Okay, here the two operation will be performed. First is access the element, second is update list for add item at the end and at the specific position. Now after this, if you want to remove a item, for removing a item there will be two method will be used. First one is a remove and second one is pop. So first we are going to see, again we are going to update a list, that is remove the item. So I can give a simple comment, update list for remove items. Okay, just already I have told there are two method will be used to remove item. First it will be my list dot remove any element. So I will remove 30 in my list. So this remove function will be remove the item, remove specific, this remove method remove specific item. This remove method will be remove specific item. So again give a simple message, print after removing item, my after removing item my list, okay. This remove method will be remove a specific item. If you want to remove a last item of a list, the pop method will be used. A pop method, my list dot pop. Okay, this method will be remove item, this method will be remove last item. So just give a comment, remove last item. Okay, just after removing just check or print our list. So just give a message, after pop operation, my list, my list. Okay, here we can see access the element will be done. In update list there will be two sub operation will be done, that is add item using append method and insert method, and remove item by using remove and pop method, and the last operation of this list, that is delete the list. So just last operation we need to add in this program, delete the list. For delete the list, the del operator or del keyword will be used. So del my list, del my list. After successfully perform del, just give a simple message, print list deleted successfully, list deleted successfully, list deleted successfully. Okay, this is all related to list. Just give just save a program, that is list dot py. Okay, save it. Okay, save here, save the successfully save our program, just to run it. Okay, okay, just wait. Okay, run it. Okay, here you can see the original list, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After performing after creating original list, the next program that or the next command on your or next operation on our list, that is here you can see access the element. So for accessing the element, here you can see you can access two element by using first element and third element. So first element of 0th position will be 10, it will be successfully returned 10, and third element in our original list, that will be 13. So our element will be accessed successfully. After that we can perform a two operation for add item and remove item. So first we can using append method, here you can see we can add 16. So let's check. After adding item 10, 20, 13, 14, 15, this is original list, and 16 will be, here you can see, add a successfully at the end of list. After that we can using inserting method, we can insert a element at the specific position, that is 25 on second position. So here you can see this is 0th position, this is 1, and this is second position where we can add a 25 item. This will be also successfully done. After that we can perform a remove item. For removing an item we can use two operation, first is remove and second is a pop. Remove item will be remove a specific element, so we can remove 13. So here you can check 10, 20, 25, and this 13 which are present on here you can see the 13 will be removed. After 25 it will show 14, 15, and 16. By using removing item we can successfully remove a specific item. And the second operation on remove item, that is pop. Pop operation will be remove a last element. Here you can see here 16 will be present, but here after pop operation 16 will be removed on list. And the last operation of this list, that is delete the list, and here you can get a message list deleted successfully. So one by one our all operation on list will be performed successfully. And this is our uh, 7 practical